Hello everyone, BB's here. So today I went ahead and built Bowzer's muscle car. Let's check him out. This car looks cool because it is cool. Check it out. It's got so much detail. Look at the front grille, the teeth, the eyes. It's a beautiful looking car. I love these fins. Trunk opens. There's some surprises back there. It's so awesome. I love it. You can take him out. Well, Bowzer, he looks cool too. His arms move. And you can always bring in Mario from your starter course. We do have a sensor in there. And sit him in there. You can hear the car start up. This is so neat. And also he loves to open the trunk and let out some bombs to try to get to Bowzer. All in all, for playability, I say this thing is great. You can play, it makes funny sounds. For display purpose, I give it a 10, 2 thumbs up, because it just looks so cool. It's a really great set. I had a lot of fun building it. All right, see you on the next one. Bye.